Kumba Jingrakhe mana usnam ya ka Sngi Burom ki Nonghikai ya ka bala Jingrakhe ka Santarik Unailor ka office ka District School Education Officer but Sub Divisional School Education Officer ri Bhoi District menta ka Sngi ka Santarik Unailor hapren ka Jing Ipu Iping ka Larkhe ka Sngi Burom ki Nonghikai ya ka bala perlong ha parishol nang po ban ai ka Jingero ki Nonghikai halor usunyang uban hei ban kenteu ki samla pule bat ka jinang jestat khamtam ban penwandori ki samla pule Hagan ega singi lawan banedon mentalang do ba Meral Bonds MLA ga nongpo kum kongsan haka jindoringkat uba Eric Kelvin Dekhar MCS BDO umling CNR di blok kum sumbut kongsan ka kong Paidolin L Nonglai Dseo ri Bhoi bat kiwe ki officer ki Nonghikai bat ki kena school Hagan ega Jingrakhe la samru I kusnam sya ki Nonghikai haka district ki bla syajat halor usun yang bakila no sya ka pule puthi bat khamtam ban kentewi ka jinang cistan bakan thop ega kong Jun Merisun na ki Nonghikai lower primary level bat kabadiru ka head teachers Sngi government LP school kadat baga kong balong syarang pek kabala syajat hakaran upper primary level kabadiru ka assistant teachers jong ka menken government UP school Burom kat ba ka secondary level ayo do padam chatri ubadeu assistant teachers jong ka Nehru Memorial Higher Secondary School Sngi nalor kita ki Nonghikai na kaliang ka office DSEO but SDSEO kala samri ikusnam syaki samla pule ki bapas bah ki belon ra nam bat Burom ka district
Teachers, in more ways than one, are the unsung heroes of our society. They play a pivotal role in nurturing the minds of not only the next generation but also of the current generation. And they help in imparting knowledge, instilling ideas, values, and helping us discover that flame which is within us. On this Teachers' Day, let us reflect upon the invaluable contributions that teachers have made to our lives and also to society as a whole. They not only provide us with education, but also teach us life skills, values, and ethics that help us be and become rounded, reasonable, well thought of human beings. And in conclusion, as we celebrate today, your day, Teachers' Day, let us remember that what you are doing is a noble mission. You are guided, you are put on this earth for a purpose by the Lord Almighty Himself to impart upon the younger ones and also the older ones and the living that we have a purpose in life and you are there to guide us.
When a single student, they raise their hand that day. I'm very upset that day. I asked why? Why you don't want to become a teacher? There are multiple reasons maybe. It may be justified, it may not. Then I asked who want to become a doctor. 4 or 5 of them raised their hand. Who want to become an engineer? 4 or 5 of them they raised their hand. So these are the perspectives that we are going through. I don't know, maybe I'm right or wrong, but this perception is there that if you put on priority basis majority of the students to select their profession, very less they will opt for a teaching profession. I may be right, I may be wrong, subject to verification. That's why it is very important that in the present day generation that we have to infuse into the mind of our dear student, into the society as a whole, that teachers is a very noble profession. Even though I didn't have the opportunity to be a teacher in the past, each and every successful person, like we said, behind every successful man, there is a woman. Behind every successful student, there is a teacher behind, who support like a pillar, who become like a second parent, to guide, to nurture, to encourage students. And behind each and every one of us who are here, we have to give thanks to a woman being a mother.